So behind me, that is my computerized stand. And it is just the regular Celestron Nexstar stand. And first thing you have to do always is level it, of course. So I literally have it perfectly level. So now I'm gonna put the telescope on. So I just put my telescope on, and here's my telescope. This is the telescope that I'm going to be using to take the photo of Uranus. Wow, look at that. It is a 6-inch Schmidt Cassegrain telescope, and you can just tell it's not like a regular telescope that you see. And it has 6 inches of aperture, which normally for planetary imaging, it's not enough, because most of the times you want like 8 inches, 11 inches. And I can look at Jupiter, but I have to crop in, and it's 2 months past opposition, so it will be straight up there, but that's not the object tonight, and that is Uranus. So here's the camera that I'm going to be using tonight. It's called the Sony A6500, and this is the camera that I use for photography. And if you've seen any other video I've made, you know that it's different from an astrophotography dedicated camera, because first off, it has 24 megapixels and a way bigger sensor. So this would be the equivalent to probably like a $400 astrophotography camera, but it doesn't have all the features like longer exposures than 30 seconds, which is what gets me. So I can't do nebula right now. I thought of getting a exposure remote, which I did. It doesn't work. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a Skywatcher mount first, because although this is a good stand, but you always can get some kind of tilt access for this, because once this goes up too high, the telescope, your camera will hit the bottom here, and that's not good. So if you're looking straight up like that, you need one of those, and those are $400. So I'd rather spend $360 more and just get a really good dedicated stand. So you do need bigger telescopes to even see them or get any details. Like for Jupiter, those are the bands. Saturn is like the rings. I'm not using any imaging software tonight. I'm just gonna be straight up just taking a photo. Moment of truth. Does it work? It shouldn't be this intense, but okay, so I did grab the right one, and it's gonna say verifying packages. So I'm about to show y'all a raw clip of the moon. Okay, let's see if I can get it, because I did whack my viewfinder, which really not good, of the moon. And that is in broad daylight, which is pretty crazy. I'm just gonna take a couple photos. Okay. So now it just needs to be dark. Okay, so it's a little darker out. The moon's way brighter. Sun's still kind of just going down. But I think it's about time that I get everything set up. So let me just pull the curtain. Here's my telescope. Let's turn this thing on. And then turn this on. So once I did that, it should say skyline, please wait. And it should say confirm. And regale. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go to I was pointing at, so we'll realign, and this is basically the test if it is working. So yeah, see, it's right there, but it will slowly come down to the exact center.